Congratulations, you found an Easter egg of this channel. Let's see what's in it. Everything started from a small bowl where I'm carving eyes. Because it's a baby, I'm creating big eyes with eyelids and cute cheeks with long tentacles. Then I'm carving wings. I've decided to create a triangle first and then to add bones and joints. After that I'm adding legs and arms. I took them from references with cute baby animals and changed a bit. Then I'm adding headband with rabbit ears. I had concern about adding folds on the skin or leave figure smooth, but decided to leave folds as it has more texture in this way and looks less as a toy. But I have an idea to create a 3D model with several versions of it. We'll let you know once it's done. As it's an Easter egg, then baby should be in the egg, so the final step is to carve and shape it. I've divided it into two parts first and carved a hole inside. After that I decided to combine them and build up more clay around to have larger egg so it would look a bit bigger than a figure of baby cthulhu. After main shape was built, I'm carving and removing a part of the egg so it would be possible to place figure there. carving cracks and sculpting some veins to add some details and textures. And here it is, final look of my next character in the list. Thanks for watching. Support the video and channel with subscription and like. See you soon.